Follow-up types are a way of scheduling items that you want to attach to a contact. For example, here we can see that there is a visit scheduled for Stacy Martin. When we open the details of this follow-up, we can see that it's to drop off materials, it's a visit scheduled for October 15th, it's currently incomplete, Stacy Martin is the attached contact for it. We have a location that we can click on to get directions to, and we can see who has been assigned to do this follow-up. And then there's some notes here on what this follow-up is. Because this is a follow-up, you can actually mark it complete. When we mark it complete, it will go in and then it will create a touch type for us automatically and assign it to a specific contact. You can select the touch type and say that this was a meetup or a site tour. Let's just go ahead and select meetup there. The date and time, it automatically picks the date and time that the follow-up was scheduled for us, and then it copies the notes that we had on the follow-up into our notes, and we can click create to create that follow-up. Now we can see it has been marked complete, and when we go in here, we can see that it was completed on Tuesday, October 15th at 9:41. To customize these, we're going to want to go to Owner Settings, System Settings, and switch to Follow-up Type. In the follow-up type, we can see that we have consult, email, meeting, and so on. These are the defaults. Down here, we can see the contact items that are going to be requested for that follow-up type. In this case, this one says that it uses an email, a phone number, or an address. We can see that a touch type has been assigned to this one, but not these ones. And here we can see the color coding and the icon used for that follow-up type. Let's go ahead and edit the email. To do that, we click on Edit. We could change its name, whether or not it's active, which fields we want included for the person to fill in, and whether or not those fields are required to be included. What touch type will be recorded when it's marked complete. So in this case, we'll just say an email. Then down here, we can change which color coding it will use, ranging all the way down through. And if we click here, we can change the icon that it's using. So we could choose the envelope. When we're done making our changes, we can click to update, or we can close and cancel our changes. There. Now we can see that that was updated to use an email touch type. To add a new one, we can click on Add Follow-up Type, give it a name, select which fields we want to have included, and whether or not we want them to be required, the touch type that will be assigned when they mark it complete, and then select a color and an icon. Once we're done, we can click on Create, and it'll add it to our list. If we want to see any inactive, we can click on Show Inactive. And that's how you customize your follow-up types.